So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this Dixon guitar. This is actually modeled after the Gibson. If you can't tell, if you're into guitars, you know exactly what it's modeled after. I ain't going to name it. Comment below if you know what it is. So I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to try to be doing to this guitar and what we're going to be trying to improve on it in a future video. You can give me your input, maybe best techniques on how to fix some of these problems if you're into guitars. I love hearing from everybody and getting your input. That's why we do these videos, so we can, you know, keep each other company, learn something new, be as helpful as we can. So let's just jump into it. This is the guitar before we start on it. Just to give you an idea of what we're working with. It's very beautiful. It got that classic look to it. So let's talk about the issues with this guitar. We got this that's peeling up, which that ain't no biggie. That can actually glue back down. Sorry for the autofocus. And we are coming loose. I think that's going to be the biggest issue to fix. I don't know if I can actually glue this back down, take some water, heat it up with a heat gun, then glue it back down using clamps and stuff. Might be the way I try to fix it. If you got a better idea, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what you used to fix this board here in the comments below. The neck is very straight on it. This is the back side. Got some kind of coating on it. I think we can actually wet sand this and buff this out to a shine. That should take out most of the scratches. These need polished. Other than that, the guitar looks pretty solid. I think it's savable. If not, we can at least fix it where it's nice enough we can put it on display. I think this is going to be a pretty fun project in the future. Let me know in the comment section below what you think is the best way to fix this. I'm pretty sure some strong wood glue and some clamps and some heat can fix this issue right here. This right here, I think super glue would take care of that. I pretty much don't like using super glue, but a good adhesion thing should fix this. Or I could take it completely apart. But, you know, as I said before, if we can't get it sounding good or playing good, we can at least repair it good enough for it to be a good display guitar. I mean, it's got character. That's what every guitar should have. It should speak to you. This one speaks to me. It says, fix me. Or try to fix me. And if I can't fix it, I try to fix it good enough where we can put strings on it and display it, you know, for a conversation piece. Yeah, try not to let it get any worse. So I say humidity got it. It is old. I say sitting back in the back of a closet or something has pretty well got this guitar. So, yeah. Acoustics. Seems like the acoustics is the first ones to go. Just in case you didn't know, I upload new videos 5 p.m. every single day. If you not got a notification, check back my channel. Should be something new on. If you're new, be sure to get subscribed. And if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you watching. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch another one of my videos. And I'll see you next time.